Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Good morning and welcome to the daily video research, Forex video research. Today we will speak about EURUSD. Our yesterday's forecast on Great British Pound has worked well. Our market has reached the strong support area that we discussed in our weekly research on the ForexPeaceArmy.com. This is the 155.30 area, this is the intraday Fibonacci confluence support area and weekly pivot point. So just a couple of words about the cable. I suspect that market should show some bounce to the upside because this is a normal price action when the market met on its way the solid support area. Well, on the Japanese yen at the same time hasn't happened interesting during the previous trading day. Market hasn't even reached our possible point for enter in continuation of strong down move on USD Japanese yen. When we can join to the move after intervention. So I think that EURUSD has some interesting nuances right now on the market that can help you clearly understand the current situation. So let's proceed with the EURUSD. This is the daily chart. Daily trend is bullish right now. So look at this pattern: A, B, C bottom. Market has reached 618 expansion, 100% expansion, and hasn't quite reached 1618 expansion. In my weekly research I said that I'm not very comfortable if market hasn't reached this level and turned to the downside, and very often odds suggest that market should reach this area before it can show some reverse to the opposite direction. Now another interesting moment, look at this move from C point to 618 and directly to 100% expansion. There was no sign of retracement right here. This just was strong, fast explode on the market. Market has reached directly 100% expansion from this ABC bottom pattern. This is also one of the signs that usually leads to the 1618 expansion. Okay, let's move further. Look at this blue line. This is Jordan-Napoli oscillated predictor indicator. It shows us the level of overbought. Look at this market. Touched overbought, touch it again, make some retracement downside. But in general, market hasn't even bounced to the downside. It just stays in the range after reaching the overbought. Usually when market has reached the overbought, this was also, by the way, the butterfly pattern target of this butterfly that we talked during the previous week. Market stays just right in this area. This makes me think that market, before any signs of retracement to the downside, should reach the 1618 target around 131.67. Let's look at the lower time frame. This is for our chart. Look at this target, daily 1618 expansion. What we see right here, this is the B and C points of the daily ABC pattern. Look at this more recent ABC bottom. Market has reached 618 retraced, 100% retraced, and also hasn't quite reached even 127 expansion just above the market. This coincides with the target of daily 1618, and this is just above this consolidation of the triangle pattern. The another important moment, that look at this red line, this is the MACD predictor. You are familiar with this indicator already. It shows us the trend, and now for our trend turns bearish, but price action is not, doesn't confirm this shift of trend and stays in the range, in the triangle, this range. So I think that we can see during the today trading session possible upside breakout of this target. Market should reach these two targets around 131.67, 131.63 during the current trading session. Besides, today the FOMC rate decision and be careful during the statements from the FOMC. This can lead to the additional volatility on the market, and market can reach these two targets. At least I will not intend to enter on the short side of the market until these targets will not be touched by the market, or until the really strong signs of the bearish reversal, some strong thrust to the downside, will appear. So be careful and await of this possible upper breakout of the market and reaching of these two targets.